Want to know how to create a Trello board? You would want to create a Trello board as it provides visual way to organize tasks and projects, as you can break tasks into lists and cards, which helps you to prioritize tasks and stay top of deadlines. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create your Trello board. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Then tap on the Create Board icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you will need to enter the board name in the box. Similarly, tap on the down arrow button under the Workspace section to select the workspace. Likewise, again tap on the down arrow button under the Visibility section. Here in the menu, you can see variety of options. You can either make your board private, workspace or public. Choose it according to your preference. Additionally, tap on the board background option to change the background. You can either change the color or add picture to your background. Finally, tap on the Create Board option at the bottom. So this is how you can create a Trello board. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.